Hello again, my loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We have just a layout recap today for day 29 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. My husband's not feeling well. He was hanging out on the couch, and I was just in here just scrapbooking until he woke up. He was up all night, so I was trying to be a good wife and stay away from him being sick because I don't want it, because I'm getting ready to go on vacation for a girls' trip to Disney World, so no. I did hand him a glass of water, just so you know. And then I was like, stay away. I love him, but I do not want to be sick. And secondly, he's more comfortable. He was more comfortable on the couch, so I was just letting him sleep for a while. He's up and moving around now, so I think may have just been some kind of like, something didn't agree with him. Anyway, day 29 sketch is this gorgeous sketch right here by Michelle McCants. And it's Michelle McCants at Stamp Booker. 3 photos, you know, like a little guy inside. There was 3 elements and a title. So that is gorgeous. I was able to use up this sheet of stickers, you guys, from Print Shop, Vicki Boutin. Super excited for that, so I saved it for you. And then I did pull in some of these other elements. One is from Doodlebug. That background paper's from Doodlebug. That's a Paige Evans. That's a Vicki Boutin. This is a mixed media background that I had pre-made in my scraps. We've got this. I just cut this. This is an 8 by 8. And then I have these guys at 3 by 3s and the photos of She Loves Color this past year, 2024. When we met my new friend Ellen, she got to sit next to me and she utterly cracked me up. It was the first time that I'd ever have anybody recognize me in public for being a YouTuber, and I was beyond honored. And so she was sitting there, so we were taking pictures with our little witchy hats, and that's Nancy. I always take random pictures of Nancy because she usually sits across from me or next to me whenever we're at other crops. So we've got all of that fun stuff, and I created some clusters. None of this is wanting to stick. So I did create some clusters, as you can see, and in kind of a diagonal. I know there was 3 on this sketch, but I was just rolling with it. We're gonna have to add some glue to some of these because the American Crafts, right? It's not Vicki or Paige, it's American Crafts. Their stuff doesn't stick. Never has, and probably never will. I don't know, they did just get bought out. Maybe that's what they're going to change. I did pull some stuff in from my stash, these 3 little stars, because I was trying to bring in some of the fun background colors. And my title kind of spread out, Loving This Life, and we have all the fun little elements. And that is kind of what we've got going on. I do have this What a Beautiful World and a sun. This is us, and then wherever you go, go with all your hearts. I like this little binder clip kind of holding everything together. I've pulled in some of the sticker dots off that sheet and added some clear flowers around. This guy doesn't look like it's going to stick either, which, like I said, is kind of frustrating if you really do think about it, because we pay a lot of money for this. We want our stuff to work. So let's just get that stuck down. But yeah, Ellen was very, very starstruck. Or not starstruck. Was just like, oh my God, you're the reason. Like, she's a subscriber and she watched the videos. And I was like, wait till I start YouTubing you. And she just laughed. And then I don't know what Nancy was saying to me, probably something funny, but one of my bestie from the Northern Midwestie, her mom made us all these hats because it was like Halloween, and so we were the witches, and we all had different colored hats. And since Ellen was at our table, we made sure that we didn't know who she was prior to the event. We just knew that we were going to have 15 people, and so Jean made 15 of them to make sure that everybody had one. So Ellen was very excited to be included in all the fun stuff. And then here she is over here. That's Fran. I have on my husband got me that sweatshirt not too long ago. It's the dog mother, and then it's a photo of Bee and a photo of Magos. Nance is probably going to kill me for that picture, but I think it's funny. What else can we do? I feel like maybe we can add some splatters. let's do something fun. Let's do one lipstick, because why not? So we're just gonna, it was the first color I seen, you guys. Let's just kind of splatter some in here. Just kind of right around, kind of in a controlled, non-controlled manner, because can you really control splatters? No. And then we'll just come down here and we'll add some. Get some in here. I did get some on the shirt there, but that's okay, that's okay. Ellen's shirt. I wanted to call her Connie for a long time, and I don't know why, but I think it's because her last name was something like that. They were like, Becky. I'm like, I'm horrible with names. But Ellen, if you are watching, you were a pleasure to meet, and I do look forward to the next time that we run into you. And I hope that you make it again and come hang out with us. Because you were such a sweetheart, and everybody loved you so much. We'd welcome you into our group with open arms. But that is it for my layout today, you guys. I did have a lot of fun. It was very easy and good to get me. I haven't been in the scrap room in about a week. My nails are atrocious. I apologize. I just trimmed them off. I've got to get them done. But we're, like I said, I'm leaving for Disney in 8 or 9 days. So I'm leaving technically from the day that you're watching this. What day are you watching this? You're watching this on the 30th. So I'm leaving in 2 days. So it's Sunday. I'm leaving Tuesday morning to go fly into Florida to meet my girls. I think Nancy will be there. I know my bestie's going to be there, and all my other loves will be there, so I'm super excited for that. And we're not going to scrapbook, you guys. We're going to just have fun and go to Disney World. So my husband hates Disney World, so he is more than happy to let me go with Jamie. So thank you guys so much for playing along this month, and I will see you in April when we try to figure out what we're going to fill the days with. Don't forget to check everybody else out, and I'll see you later. Bye.